this is Gurgle30 for another The Hobbit Unexpected Journey set. Today we are going to be reviewing Parallel Escape set number 79004. Ages recommended to 8 to 14. We have 5 minifigures. Mirkwood, Elfguard, Mirkwood, Elf Chief, Bilbo Baggins, Gloin the Dwarf and Oin the Dwarf. This is the back of the box. Now let's see the main set. First we are going to be reviewing the minifigures. Here is Bilbo Baggins. As you see, he got the ring. And the sting. This is his hairpiece. This is his. He got 2 faces. This is his first face, a moody face. Second, a scared face. This is the back printing. This is the front. I really like this minifigure because of the ring. Next is, if I'm not mistaken, Gloin the Dwarf. Oops. This is his battle axe. And his axe. This is his hairpiece. This is his first face. And his second face. Here's the back printing. And the front. Very shiny. Next is Oin the Dwarf. Here's his weapon. This is hairpiece. Here is Oin's first face. And here's his second face. Here's his cape. Here's the back printing. Don't think you guys can see. Here's the front. And next is Mirkwood Elf Chief. Has a key. Golden key. Here's his hairpiece. It comes with the elf ears. Very nice. Here is his first face and his second face, a happy face. Here's the back printing. Here's the front. Next is Mirkwood Elfguard. Here's his spear. Here's his hairpiece, same like Mirkwood Elf Chief, but lighter. Here's his first face and his second face. Here's the back printing and the front. Now let's look at the set. In this set there's 2 play features. We'll show you later. First let's look at this part. There's a bow. and 2 spears. Just show you one because both of them are the same. It's golden in color. Very nice. Let's see this. Has 2 chairs. Same. Has a green glass bottle. I mean glass, not bottle, sorry. It's a bit transparent. There are 2 bottles. Both of them are the same. I think you guys know, it's in the Pirates of the Caribbean, the mail. Mostly like all the sets have this. Let's see. Here's the mail. A letter. Okay. Here. Sorry. Another green glass. Same like the other one. And then a barrel full with, I'm guessing, water or rum or wine. You know, whatever. To fill up the green glass. Whatever you want. Okay, this is the main part of the set. Let's come. The stairs. I really like the stairs. Very neat. Here's another key. Here's the door. Or cell. Sorry about that. There's a play feature, you see. I'll show you from behind. Okay, then. See this part? You just push it. The gate will fall. The door will fall, sorry. Bars. I keep saying the wrong thing. Oops. I keep messing up. Here's 4 bottles. Here's a barrel, and here's the same like this. Bit bigger. Here's another barrel on the top. Can fill items with it. Here's a lamp. Okay, here's the other play feature. Just take the barrels, put 2 minifigures, or a minifigure. The drawers. I think only the drawers can fit in. The Hobbit also can. Okay, put them in. But first you must take out their weapons. They might not fit with the weapons. Okay. This thing, you just put it. They go tumbling. It's very fun. This set I think comes in the 3rd or 2nd movie. I'm guessing it's 2nd. Okay. That's all for today. Please like, subscribe, Leave your comments below.